Hello students. So the topic of today's video is homologous series, which is a very important topic for your exam point of view, right? It is very important question for your exam point of view. What is homologous series? So homologous series, homo means similar. Homologous series means a series of organic compounds having similar functional group. A series of homologous series of compounds having similar functional group but different by CS2 means a series of organic compound having similar functional group in which successive compounds differ by CS2 group. Okay, successive compounds differ by CH2 group. Suppose that let us take an example of our first example is alkane series. In case of our hydrocarbon, there are three series: alkane, alkene and alkynes. So we are going to take first example of alkane, right? So I am going to rub it. So first group is alkane group. Alkane group. General formula is CnH2n plus 2. That is the general formula for alkane compounds or alkane series. Members are methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, octane, noane, decane. So I am going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 examples, right? What is the formula of methane? CH4, methane, C2H6, C3H8, C4H12, C4S10, C5S12. So these are successive compounds. If in case of this alkane series, if number of carbon is 1, then it is methane, number of carbon is 2, ethane 3, butane 4, pentane, and so on. So what is the difference between these two compounds, successive compounds? So if you can see, there is a difference of one carbon. Here number of carbon is 1, here number of carbon is 2. So what is the difference? Difference is 1 carbon. And how much difference in hydrogen atom? Second one have 6 hydrogen atom and first have 4 hydrogen atom. So the difference is H2, right? Difference is H2. Now these two are homology. It means alkane is a homologous series. Why alkane is a homologous series? Because two successive compounds have difference of 1 carbon and 2 hydrogen. Let us take another example. What about these two? Successive compounds. Number of carbon is 3, number of carbon is 2. So difference is 1. Number of hydrogen is 8, number of hydrogen is 6. So difference is H2. So each successive compounds have difference of 1 carbon and 2 hydrogen. You can say difference of 14 unit by mass. How it is called difference of 14 unit by mass? Let us see. Carbon, atomic number is 6, atomic mass is 12. Again for hydrogen, atomic mass is 1. So here difference is 1 carbon and 2 hydrogen. 12 plus 2, that is equal to 14. So there is a difference of 1 carbon and 2 hydrogen, and you can say difference of 14 unit by mass. That's why it is called difference of 14 unit by mass, right? Okay. Now let us take an example of butane and pentane. 5, 4, 1 carbon, 12 minus 2, 12 minus 10, H2. So in case of alkane, there is a difference of 1 carbon and 2 hydrogen between 2 successive compounds. So alkane is our homologous series. Now, what about alkene? What about alkene? Alkene is a compound in which at least the bond is double bond between 2 carbon. At least minimum 1 double bond, maximum whatever it is. Now, suffix for so I am going to write some nomenclature. Alkene, like take an example of propene. Next one will be meth, eth, prop, bute, butene, prop, bute, pentene, hexene. What is the formula of propene? Meth, eth, prop, C3. Meth, eth, prop. Or number of hydrogen will be double than carbon. C3H6. Here C4H8, C5H10, C6H12. Now these two are successive atoms, compounds. These two are successive compound. These two are also successive compound. So what is the difference between these two? Is there a difference of 1 carbon and 2 hydrogen? If it is, then it is called homologous series. So number of carbon is 4, number of carbon is 3. So there is a difference of 1 carbon. Here number of hydrogen is 8, number of hydrogen is 6. H2. Then it is also homologous series. What about these two? 6, 5, 1 carbon, 12, 10, 2 hydrogen. So alkene is also homologous series. Okay. What about alkyne? Formula got changed. What about alkyne? CnH2n minus 2. Right? Instead of E, we can use Y. Formula became C3H4 6 8 10. That is the formula of propyne, butane, pentyne and hexyne. So is there difference of 1 carbon and 2 hydrogen? Number of carbon is 4, number of carbon is 3. Yes, 1 carbon. 6, 4, 2 hydrogen. So alkyne is also our homologous series. So these 3 compounds or these 3 organic series are homologous in nature. Apart from these 3 groups, we can also use some functional group, compounds having some functional group, like OH is a functional group used for alcohols, right? Suppose that I have methanol, CH3OH. First compound is methane, that's why the first compound is methanol. Second will be ethanol, methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol, CH ethanol, C2H6. For if you want to add some functional group in it, then it becomes C2H5OH, methanol, ethanol. So मैक्सिमम टाइम्स तो नहीं कह सकते हैं, लेकिन अभी तक जो आपके एग्जाम में आया है उसमें ये चीज़ ज़रूर आया है, कोई भी 2 कंपाउंड दे दिया, उसमें फंक्शनल ग्रुप अटैच कर दिया. बुक में क्या दिया हुआ है? बुक में दिया हुआ है एल्केन, एल्कीन, अल्काइन, दीज 3 आर होमोलोगस सीरीज. बट इनके अलावा एग्जाम में क्या दे देता है? वो कोई फंक्शनल ग्रुप अटैच करके देता है कि क्या ये होमोलोगस सीरीज है. आप कंफ्यूज हो जाते हो कि ये तो हमने पढ़ा ही दिया है. तो सिंपल कोई 2 चीज़ दिया है, आपसे पूछा जा रहा है कि क्या ये दोनों होमोलोगस सीरीज हैं, तो आपको बस इतना देखना है कि दोनों के बीच में 1 कार्बन और 2 हाइड्रोजन का डिफरेंस आ रहा है क्या. अगर आ रहा है तो होमोलोगस है, नहीं आ रहा है तो नहीं है. ओके. सो नंबर ऑफ कार्बन इज 2, नंबर ऑफ कार्बन इज 1. डिफरेंस विल बी 1. Number of hydrogen is 5, number of hydrogen is, or you can say number of hydrogen is 3 and 1, 4. Number of hydrogen is 5 or 1, 6. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Number of oxygen is 1, number of oxygen is 1. So, in case of any functional group, if any functional group is attached with alkane, then it may be what homologous series. इसे भी homologous series कह सकते हैं. इसके अलावा बहुत सारे functional group हैं जो हम आगे पढ़ेंगे. तो दो functional group attached compounds भी हो सकते हैं क्या, homologous series. जैसे CS3COOH, C2H5COOH. COOH इज कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. फंक्शनल ग्रुप जब हम पढ़ेंगे तो डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे. फिलहाल देखते हैं क्या दोनों के बीच में ये मिथेनोइक एसिड है, ये इथेनोइक एसिड है, आगे प्रोपेनोइक एसिड हो सकता है. तो क्या ये लगातार आ रहे हैं, बैक टू बैक है. तो क्या देखते हैं इन दोनों किसी सक्सेसिव के बीच में डिफरेंस है एक कार्बन 2 हाइड्रोजन का. इन दोनों की बात कर लेते हैं. नंबर ऑफ कार्बन इज 2, नंबर ऑफ कार्बन इज 1. अगर आप इसे इंक्लूड करते हैं तो नंबर ऑफ कार्बन इज 2, नंबर ऑफ कार्बन इज 3. 3 minus 2, 1 कार्बन. नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इज 5 plus 1, 6. नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इज 4. 6 minus 4, number of hydrogen is 2. 2 oxygen, 2 oxygen, there is no difference between oxygen. So, here you can say difference is 1 carbon and 2 hydrogen. Again, if you take these two, there is difference of 1 carbon and 2 hydrogen. So, कोई भी ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड आप लो, अगर उन दोनों के बीच में एक कार्बन 2 हाइड्रोजन का डिफरेंस दिखाई दे तो वो होमोलॉगी होंगे. थैंक्स फॉर टुडे. Tomorrow we will discuss our next topic. Thank you.